This is Debbie and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a quick project share. This is something that I made for the nurses that I've been dealing with lately. They're all so super nice and they have been helping me so much. I really appreciate it. So I wanted to make them something special. I did notice that on one of the ladies' stethoscope, she had some charms and I thought, I could do that. So I made a bunch of these little charms that they can wear on their stethoscope. Has a large jump ring here so it'll fit over, and these are all of course Halloween themed. Halloween is awesome. I've got some that have got just this a skull, and then I've got some that have got this cute skeleton that is hanging by a rope. And then a few also that have got both the skeleton and the skull. I was only able to give out 2 at the doctor's office that I went to today. One woman chose one with just the skeleton, and the other chose one with a purple skull. So those were kind of cute. So I packaged these up this morning. I used a nested tag die that I had in my stash and some black cardstock and some Halloween paper, and then I put it on some gray cardstock as well. I also had, for the toppers, I had made a bunch of these tickets. These are actually a PDF file that I'll be uploading onto my blog, so you guys can have access to that for whatever you want to use them for. You could just punch a hole in them and use them as tags, and they'll be real cute. I just printed these out on some normal cardstock on my printer and then cut them out. For the corners, I just used a circle hole punch, you know, one of the larger ones. Got one that is, if I can get it out of my drawer, this one is 5/8 inches and it fit perfectly in that little groove. I do have them, it's actually printed on there so you can cut them out with scissors if you want. But I think these turned out pretty cute. I've got Happy Halloween and Trick or Treat. And anyway, this is just, like I said, a quick project share. I wanted to share that with you, see what I had made. A lot of us have different people in our lives that we want to show our appreciation for, whether it's doctors, nurses, your mailman, teachers for your kids, whatever. This is just an idea that works great for people that are medical. You could also put a different kind of a clasp or something on here, like maybe a lobster clip, and then people could use these as purse charms or whatever. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful crafty day, and I will see you real soon. Thank you much. Have a great one. Bye.